We'll guide you through how to retrieve your Stripe API keys. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard, which is your control center for everything in Stripe. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and locate the Developers section. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you should find an option labeled API Keys. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you're in the API Keys page, where you can see your publishable and secret API keys. For security reasons, the secret key is usually hidden, but you can reveal it by clicking the Reveal Test Key Token button. Remember to handle this key with care, as it grants access to your Stripe account. If you need to use these keys for a live environment, make sure you're in live mode instead of test mode. You can switch modes from the top of the dashboard. Always ensure you're using the correct keys corresponding to the environment you're working in. If you ever feel that your keys have been compromised, it's important to roll them immediately using the Roll Key button to prevent unauthorized access. Keep your keys confidential and never share them publicly or in unsecured environments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.